What is it?
This.
Yeah, look at that.
What is it?
Candy.
It's candy, and it's
It's all candy.
yeah, it's all candy, and it's a clown.
A snowman.
It's a snowman. You put it down very gently.
Uh-huh.
Put on my sleeve. And here we go. With I'm putting it in my face.
What is it?
Looks like a turning fish.
A fish.
A turning fish.
Look at that. It swims in the water all by itself.
You can take it in the tub with you.
And it swims around.
Yeah.
Looks like a fish. Look at that.
It's a green fish, but this one is a pink one with stripes. Pink one with stripes again. See on the back? Pink one with stripes where I'm pointing.
Yep, that's the one you got.
That's from Santa too. And who is this from?
Paula.
This one's from Paula.
Oh, that was nice.
I had a picture. I had a picture from her. Hey, there's a stocking right here, Jackie.
There is?
Oh, look at that. What else is in your stocking?
Stocking? Like stocking.
Look at that stocking.
I have a gingerbread one that exists,
You see that?
but that one's cool. Oh,
Dig in.
digging. That's what you said into that bag.
Mm-hmm.
Digging. I have to dig it back.
A bag of money.
Wow. Huh?
Money!
You know what it is?
What?
It's chocolate.
What?
Chocolate.
Wait, do I eat it?
Yeah.
You take the wrapping off and you eat them.
Want to try one? Open it up.
Try one, Alexis?
Sure.
I'll just do it with my finger. But it's trapped in there.
It's trapped in there?
Money.
Good job.
Money everywhere.
Let's see if we can get it open.
Keep that little bag. You open up this one and put the money back in that one.
Open that bag. Get it ready.
Open that bag. That one, yep.
Oh, hold it open.
You put all your money back in there. You're rich.
Now pick one to eat.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's a big one.
Look at it.
That's a toonie.
Yeah.
That's
Canada.
Canadian money.
It says Canada.
Uh-huh.
It's from Canada.
Uh-huh. The world coins you have there.
It's from Missy.
No, it's just a Canada coin. Oh,
Elizabeth II, 2001.
toonie. That's $2.
How do I get it off?
You have to bend
the
the
edge?
yeah.
Is the seam, if you can find it with your nail. Right on this edge, see right here. Like that.
And then you bend it around. There you go. Oh, big $2 chocolate coin.
Keep opening it.
I was just looking at it like that.
Can you find the other seam?